Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1022, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1022? What's the symbolism of 1022? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1022 mean for love? What does 1022 mean for twin flames? What does 1022 for manifestation? How does angel number 1022 affect finances? What does 1022 mean for former relationships? How does 1022 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1022? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1022? What's the meaning of angel number 1022? Angel number 1022 signifies alignment with your life's purpose through focus, determination, and trust in divine timing. It blends the energy of new beginnings, 1, infinite possibilities, 0, and dual influence of 2, which relates to balance, harmony, and partnership. Seeing 1022 is a message to stay optimistic and keep faith in your personal and spiritual journey. You're being urged to pursue your goals confidently while maintaining cooperation with others. The universe is supporting your growth, and persistence will lead to success. This number confirms that the steps you're taking are aligned with your soul's true path. What's the symbolism of angel number 1022? The symbolism of angel number 1022 lies in harmony, trust, and aligned action. Number 1 symbolizes initiative and leadership, 0 amplifies spiritual energy and potential, while 2 represents diplomacy, balance, and partnerships, appearing twice for added emphasis. This combination suggests that balance between the material and spiritual realms is key to progress. It encourages patience, teamwork, and trust in universal support. Symbolically, it's a reminder that inner peace and outer collaboration lead to greater fulfillment. You are being guided to act with purpose while trusting that unseen forces are helping shape the outcome of your intentions and relationship. What is the angel number 1022 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 1022 emphasizes faith, divine timing, and alignment with your higher calling. It invites you to trust the spiritual process, even if the path feels uncertain. The double twos highlight your relationship with others and the importance of unity and compassion on your spiritual journey. The number also encourages prayer, meditation, and trusting divine guidance as you move forward. You're being reminded that your spiritual growth is unfolding in perfect timing. Stay receptive, calm, and open-hearted. 1022 serves as a sign that your angels are near, offering encouragement and reassurance as you continue evolving spiritually. What does angel number 1022 mean for love? In love, angel number 1022 encourages patience, harmony, and emotional balance. It suggests that mutual understanding and compromise are essential to building or maintaining a healthy relationship. If you're in a partnership, this number urges open communication and deeper connection. For singles, it may be a sign to remain hopeful, as a meaningful relationship is on the horizon. The number 2's energy promotes cooperation and emotional intuition, while 1 and 0 indicate new opportunities for love and spiritual connection. Ultimately, 1022 is about nurturing relationships that uplift your soul and mirror your personal and spiritual growth. What does angel number 1022 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 1022 is a powerful sign of alignment and progress. It often appears during a phase of mutual spiritual awakening or emotional balancing. The repetition of the number 2 suggests a deep soul bond and the need for trust and patience. If separation has occurred, 1022 may signal a coming reunion or important lesson being learned by both individuals. Communication, self-reflection, and compassion are key to moving forward. This number encourages both twin flames to continue healing and evolving, knowing that their paths are divinely guided and that reunion will happen at the right time. What does angel number 1022 for manifestation? Angel number 1022 is a strong signal that your manifestations are supported by the universe, especially when intentions are aligned with harmony and service to others. Number 1 represents your power to create, while 0 symbolizes divine support, and the double twos highlight balance, patience, and cooperative effort. You're encouraged to remain focused, keep your thoughts positive, and trust that your efforts are attracting the right opportunities. Avoid forcing outcomes, trust in divine timing. Stay consistent and optimistic. 1022 affirms that you are in sync with universal energies and that your desires are manifesting steadily, even if results aren't immediate. How does angel number 1022 affect finances? Angel number 1022 influences finances by encouraging wise planning, collaboration, and trust in long-term results. While this number does not promise instant wealth, it points to financial stability achieved through balance and persistence. Cooperation with others, whether in business partnerships or shared ventures, can lead to new income streams. The presence of 0 suggests that divine guidance is helping you make wise financial choices. Trust your instincts, avoid risky decisions, and focus on stability. By aligning your financial actions with your values and maintaining faith in your journey, 1022 assures you that financial peace and abundance are within reach. What does angel number 1022 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1022 encourages reflection, forgiveness, and emotional healing in regard to past relationships. The presence of the number 2 twice speaks to relationships and emotional duality, suggesting it's time to let go of past pain and view those experiences as lessons. Whether you're holding on to regret, resentment, or nostalgia, 1022 urges you to find closure and emotional balance. You are being guided to release what no longer serves your growth, making room for healthier relationships. This number affirms that peace is possible when you allow healing and focus on building a future rooted in emotional maturity and self-love. How does angel number 1022 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 1022 brings a message of purposeful leadership and collaboration. It suggests you're being guided to align your career with your deeper values and to work harmoniously with others. Opportunities for advancement may come through partnerships or by stepping into a leadership role that supports team goals. This number encourages you to stay focused, adaptable, and receptive to guidance. You may be called to use your talents in a way that serves a higher purpose. Trust your intuition, work with integrity, and know that success will follow when you're aligned with your soul's path. What are the strengths of angel number 1022? Angel number 1022's strengths include inner wisdom, spiritual awareness, patience, and the ability to maintain harmony in challenging situations. Individuals influenced by this number often excel in diplomacy, cooperation, and compassionate communication. The balanced energy of 2, magnified, brings a calming presence that fosters trust and emotional intelligence. Meanwhile, the 1 and 0 provide initiative and spiritual connection, helping you take aligned action with divine support. This number empowers individuals to be both grounded and visionary, making them natural leaders, healers, or mediators. It encourages persistence and faith, even when progress seems slow, ensuring long-term fulfillment and success. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1022? The weaknesses of angel number 1022 may include indecision, emotional dependency, or avoidance of confrontation. The doubled twos can sometimes lead to overaccommodation or fear of disrupting harmony, which may prevent individuals from asserting themselves or making bold decisions. Additionally, a strong desire for peace might cause passivity or delays in necessary action. If out of balance, the spiritual elements of 0 and 1 could lead to unrealistic expectations or a disconnection from practical need. This number urges you to balance your nurturing qualities with confidence, take initiative when needed, and trust that healthy boundaries support, not harm, relationship.